Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We have a wide selection of over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you'll be assured to see all of our new arrivals, just like this one-of-a-kind Jeep Wrangler full body paint 4-door Jeep. Also, if you want to see all the full description of this specific Jeep or any other conversion Jeep we have on our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Guys, this is a one-of-a-kind. Nobody else has them in stock. We are the only dealer right now in the country with a full body paint Rocky Ridge Jeep 4-door Rubicon, period. Guys, this is the baddest Jeep I've ever seen. We've been stocking Rocky Ridge Jeeps for 5 years now. We stock over 20 at all times. So if you're looking for a Jeep Wrangler or Rocky Ridge, guys, we have it in stock. And if we don't, contact us anyways, because we probably got 5 to 10 Jeeps down at the facility getting upfitted right now. So whatever you're looking for in a lifted Jeep, we can accommodate your needs. Starting off in the front, you're gonna notice we got the extremely aggressive upgraded front bumper. That's full steel, guys. Full steel, nothing but the best. 30-inch LED light bar right there in the center. Tow hooks, fog lights right there beside the tow hooks. LED lighting group on this, which is a package, not an aftermarket. It's a package from the manufacturer. Jeep Rubicon, like I said, so top of the line. We'll start on the rims here. I kind of passed them. I got a little excited there. It's a 20-inch, completely custom Rocky Ridge rim wrapped in a Mickey Thompson Baja Boss tire. This tire is great, guys. Not only does it have plenty of aggressiveness for that off-road capability, it's still an awesome on-road tire, which is it's awesome when it looks good, it sounds good, it's not too noisy when you're driving down the road. 3.5-inch lift on this, guys, which really puts it up in the air. And of course, how could you not notice that amazing faded paint job that we put on this thing? Aftermarket, really stout step-up bars, really nice when off-road. Definitely covers up them rockers, so you don't have to worry about denting them at all if you're doing any off-road stuff. Upgraded, completely steel once again, back bumper. Does have the tow, or no, these aren't tow hooks, those are just plugs. And it does have the trailer tow group down under here with the 4 and 7-pin wiring hookups right there. Factory backup camera located right there in that spare tire, and that spare tire does match all the other 4 tires that are on the ground on this specific unit. And as you can see, they faded it right behind the spare tire. Runs all the way around this vehicle. They didn't cut any corners on it. The fender flares are even faded, which looks really cool. Man, this is just a one-of-a-kind Jeep. And guys, like I said, we are one of the largest Rocky Ridge Jeep dealers in the country, and we ship nationwide. So no matter where you're at, located in the United States, I can have this vehicle put in your driveway in usually about a week to a week and a half. As long as everything works out properly, I can have it in your driveway if this vehicle's ready for delivery on my lot. Moving on to the inside of the vehicle, it does have power side mirrors, power locks, leather seating with a really cool red piping throughout this seating. Really nice Rubicon badging with the upgraded Rocky Ridge logo right there in the headrest. Like I said, LED front lighting. It does have the auto feature. I just turned that on. That way when you're driving down the road, your lights are always on or turning on automatically as needed. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you are going to have your your control buttons right here, this whole section right here, which is going to operate your instrument cluster located right here in between your RPM gauge and your miles per hour gauge. It's going to show you a bunch of cool stuff on there. Whether it's right now it's set on the off-road drivetrain setting, it can be switched to fuel economy. You can do your trip information, start-stop features, your radio station, your how fast you're going, your miles per hour. There's a bunch of stuff built in there. Really cool feature to have while driving down the road. Then right beside that, you're going to have all your buttons to connect your cell phone directly into the vehicle, so you can answer your phone Bluetooth through the Bluetooth through the speakers by simply hitting the buttons right here to start the phone call and end the phone call. So you no longer have to reach for your cell phone while driving down the road. You can do it all from your steering wheel. On the right hand side, you're gonna have all your cruise control features, and then on the back of the right hand side of the steering wheel, you can operate your volume, and then on the left, on the back hand side, you can operate your channels by changing them from right back there also. Up top, right above the driver's seat, you're gonna have you got 3 buttons here for your universal garage door openers. Program your remotes directly into here. No longer have to carry them garage door openers remotes, up to 3 of them that can be programmed into there. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, media capabilities. You can download media directly into here. You can also, has dual climate controls on the specific unit, so you can set the driver on whatever you want and the passenger on whatever you want, and they'll blow out at 2 different temperatures, or as you can watch this, now I can sync them and they're together and they're blowing out the same temperature throughout the entire cab. It also does have an auto feature, so you can simply set it and forget it. It'll increase and decrease the speed and the temperature automatically, so your cab stays for an example at 71 degrees throughout. Bunch of apps that are built in here. We could go through them. It also does have heated seats in the front for the driver and passenger. There is a high, medium, and a low setting along with the heated steering wheel, and like I mentioned outside, it does have a backup camera. Right under that, you're going to have all your controls for your radio on the outside here. These 2 buttons on the outside, volume, and change the channel over here. And then everything here in the center is the same. You have another option when operating your climate. You can do it in the screen like I showed you, or you can operate everything right here, whether it's the speed, the temperature, the heated seat, the heated steering wheel, the position of where you want the airflow to come out. Everything can be operated right here also. So you have 2 settings to do that, which is a nice feature to have. Start stop feature, so you can you can turn this when this is on. When you pull up to a red light, for example, your vehicle will completely shut off, which is a nice feature. It's great when it comes to fuel economy savings. And then as soon as you take your foot off the brake pedal, it'll automatically start again. Hill descent located right here, and this button right here. It does have all 4 power automatic windows, as you can see here. 12-volt DC plug, media plugs that are located also right here. And then you also do have your sway bar disconnect, and you have your 4 auxiliary switches that are located down here. And like, for example, auxiliary 1 is programmed to that humongous LED light bar that's on that front bumper. And then you have 3 empty settings to program stuff or hook stuff into, whether it be more light bars or whatever your auxiliary may be that you want to tie into there. Cup holders located between the driver and passenger seat. Plenty of storage underneath the center armrest for the front passenger. Red accents throughout the dash, which is a really cool touch. It matches the outside of the vehicle very, very well. Another thing I did not mention while we were outside, this vehicle does have a 3-piece hardtop. So the driver section can be taken off right here, along with this passenger section. That's just for the front 2 seats. They simply pop out by flipping these levers. They weigh about 20 pounds a piece, so one person could take them out very easily, and there's a bag in the back to store them in so they do not get scratched. Now the back section usually takes about 2 people. As you can see, it's basically this whole entire section all the way back to the back of the vehicle. It can be done by just taking out a couple bolts and 2 people, and then you have a complete convertible, which looks awesome with this Rocky Ridge package. Onto the back, we'll show you the storage here. There's plenty of storage and an extra set of slush mats here. This is the bag I was talking about for the front 2 sections of the hardtop, which is right there. Plenty of storage, and the seats can be laid flat, which is another nice feature if you need to haul something a little bigger. As far as the back seat, which I did not show you, pretty much same as the front. You got your leather seating with the real nice leather or red stitching running throughout it. Then you're also going to have your rubber floor mats. They are up front also. These are the factory ones located right here. They simply pull them out, spray them off, which makes a really nice feature, and they're definitely nice to have. This particular Jeep does have the child safety hooks for the car seats located on the 2 side seats. The tether hooks, I should say, so you can hook up a car seat very easily and very safely, of course. AC plug located down here. Power windows located right here. And then a USB plug right there. So guys, if you're looking for one of the baddest Jeeps on the market right now, right here it is, guys. Only one in the country. Rocky Ridge 4-door Jeep Rubicon, full body paint, completely loaded, painted hardtop, touchscreen radio, heated seats, leather seats, 20-inch wheels, 35-inch tires, the Mickey Thompson Baja Boss. What more could you ask for? 30-inch LED light bar on the front, steel front bumper, upgraded rear bumper, tow package, LED lighting, and the list goes on, guys. We have over 20 of these vehicles in stock. Make sure you visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're on YouTube so you can make sure you never miss all of our new arrivals, just like this awesome Jeep Wrangler here today. And for the guaranteed best price, and guys, we ship nationwide, make sure you always shop Sherry, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram.